What's up, guys? Your boy Loco, and we finally found one. Kinda. So I didn't think I was gonna get a chance to come out because my wife had surgery and stuff, and her B-day is actually today. But we finally found one. It's an 06 G6 GTP. Now I would just come to look at this one. The one I really wanted, they were closed today. I didn't know that, so this pick and pull stay open, so we came to check it out. So I knew this car came in. It's a 4-door. This is a GTP. And what I was saying about the seats, with their seats, the GTP is here. I thought it was in the headrest, but it's actually right here, say GTP, and these got like that black leather and gray, which I really didn't want. I wanted the all black joints like what I got. But yeah, so I was looking at this and not expecting, I just said, fuck it, let me look at the roof. We got that 4-stage panoramic I was looking for. Honestly, I didn't expect this one to have it. And this paint, I think it was blue, and then someone painted like black with blue and red flake in it. I don't know how it's coming out in camera, but I don't think that's stock. The only issue with this car, I'm gonna test the roof for one, and then for two, I don't know if you can see the damage up here. Like, I don't even know what that is. I don't know if someone's trying to pry it open or how they got busted up. I need to find something to stand on so I can actually take a good look at it. This thing got hit from the rear. You see, I think it was really originally this color. They're like blue, because even the plate is blue. So I think this, yeah, you can see the overspray. Yeah, so this thing is blue and someone painted black with red and blue flake. This thing got pushed in. And on the side, yeah, you can see the paint there. So I actually need to go back to the car and get my, well, I might have one inside my bag. Get a battery and test this, but even if this glass isn't good, I need that frame. I probably won't have time today because it's like, I only have like an hour or two before they close. But I just need to see how bad the damage is on the glass. If it's the glass or if it's just like the surrounding around the glass, the frame. But I definitely want that switch and then this roof skin, even if I don't take the glass. But anyway, I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna hit you back. Welcome back. It's your boy Loco. So far, let me show you the progress. So I went ahead and took out the headliner, got it all intact. That's nice and out. And then what I did for the inside, now you have the headliner removed, you got all the little bits and pieces that's attached to the headliner gone. These are your motors. I think one's the motor for the actual sunroof, and then one's for the shade. I think this has an automatic shade right there, can't really see. That's the connection for the whole assembly there. And I have the switch, which I'm gonna start testing the 4-stage panoramic sunroof. I believe that's the shade button. And that's your 4 stages. So I got the whole harness removed from the headliner. And you got these wires again. So automatically I know this black one and this red and white one is more likely gonna be my power wires right here. And then I need to look at another video, because I swear there's like another third wire that you need to make this work. But I'm gonna just test it with these 2 wires real quick. I know some people say you need like a car battery to actually move it. I'm about to see how true this is. This is the first time I'm actually testing one. And I can't remember which is the 3rd wire. I want to say it's yellow. But these are definitely 2 power wires. You got your red power and then your black ground. So I'm gonna have to get my wire stripper, strip that off, put my jumpers on, and see if it'll move. And I'm pretty sure I need one of these other ones. But anyway, we'll find out. You know how I do, man. I troubleshoot until I get it working. But you can see how these are a lot thicker. And that's what we're doing today. We testing those panoramic roofs. I need to go get my old tool bag from the truck, because I got my big one, or my backpack, but all my electrical stuff's in the other one. Alright, anyway guys, this is your boy Loco. I'm gonna hit you back in a sec. Welcome how to test a panoramic roof in the junkyard. So I'm back at that 06 Pontiac G6 GTP 4-door. So I remember watching a video where dude's like, you need 3 wires. So I hit up Steve Davis. I was gonna shoot an email to MB, but I remember it was yellow, but I had to confirm. So right now I got my little miniature jump box. I mean, it's tiny. I mean, it's real thin. So I got positive, I got hooked up. I got my red and yellow on my positive and my black on my negative. And I got my little jump box. I'm at 100%. I'm gonna go ahead and set this till it turns solid. Okay. I'm gonna hit my switch. So you can see it moving. But something's stopping it from open. Even the you can see it moving. So with this jump pack, I can't get continuous power. It has a reset. So something's stopping it from opening. So I need to take a look at the top of the roof and see what's going on. But you can jump these sunroofs without a car battery. This thing's as small as a cell phone. I mean, if you look at my my thumb, that's how big it is. It's really small. And that's all you need. You need the red, the yellow, and the black, the 3-wire. I got it plugged into the back where the motor is. And let me reset it again. Solid green, make sure that's on. I'm gonna hit the button. So you can see it does work. It's real tiny. This is way smaller than my other one. I was going to do a tool haul on this little box, but I need to try it out. See, now it reset. So I don't know if I should take the gamble on actually fixing this glass. I don't like that the glass is kind of like cracked. Well, the glass isn't cracked, but around it is. But we may be able to do something with that. I'm just happy we found a sunroof. So I got my other bag now. I got my electrical bag, my crimpers, my wire strippers, my Harbor Freight XT ratchet. Of course, you gotta be snap on. Then I have the Milwaukee battery just in case. This will probably work. I don't know if this will work. Everybody's saying that you need a car battery, but as you can tell, this little box here, ultra compact, thin, fit in your pocket real easy. See, 8,000 mAh battery. You can charge your phone with this. But yeah, that's what I use, this little jump box to power a panoramic roof. Anyway, let me try and take this out, and then probably tomorrow I'll come back for the actual skin if it's still here, because you know my luck, I take the roof out and they take the whole fucking car. Fuckers. Anyway, it's your boy Loco. So as you can see, I got the roof out. I got some of the lines. You're gonna need those lines for the drains. I still gotta grab I think 2 or 3 more of them. So what they did with this glass is they fucking siliconed it. That's why it wouldn't open. Look at that thick bead of silicone. This is all silicone. Just clear silicone. So I gotta pull it out. When you pull these roofs, look carefully on the floor when you take it out, because these little pins that come out of the window panes, you're gonna need these. So make sure you check for these little pins. So I can put the windows back on the tracks. But I believe it's gonna work, because the motor work, I just think I'm missing a whole bunch of pins. And then maybe some weather stripping. Like this, the rubber. But yeah, that's easy, man. We can make that work. But they just silicone the hell out of this window. But you know, we'll take it back to the garage and mess with it. If anything, just be a spare for another one. But yeah, we got it out. I really don't have time to cut out the skin right now. So tomorrow I'll just bring the sawzall and chop this thing out. I'll make sure I charge up the batteries and see how far I can get on this roof skin. But yeah, she out, man. Look at all the silicone. That's why I can open it. I just caked it on there. Anyway, it's out. I need to double check these wires, make sure I don't need some of these other wires. I think I gotta see where that goes to. I got a drain over there, drain there. I don't know if I got that one over there. I got the one that was back here. I don't know what that box does. It goes to the front. Okay, so now that's the little antenna at the top. I may need that. Yeah, take your drains. Yeah, I need to make sure to know what that little antenna does. But if not, I'll grab it probably tomorrow. If not, I wanted to wait till next weekend when it's half off. But sometimes you just gotta grab it when you see it. I got 2 drains. I'll tell you what, this thing was easier to take down than get up. I had to push that seat all the way forward and then like drop it down this way, so it was like slant it this way, and then bring it and turn it to get it out. Because I was thinking about bringing it up to the top, but I still think it might have been too wide, I don't know. But I'm tired, I'm sweaty. Check out a GTP on these seats. I like these, I mean it's the same seats I got, but like I said, I really don't want that GTP stamped in my my seats, especially in a Chevelle or Caprice. I got everything out. But that's it, let me load up. Today's still wifey's birthday and I'm out here chasing roofs and stuff. We already went out, ate and stuff, gave her presents. So she said go on ahead and hit the yard. I wasn't expecting this. The other yard I was going to, I thought they had one of these, but they're closed. So this is a good little surprise, because the other GTPs I've seen didn't have the roof. But like I said, when you see it, you better snag it, because tomorrow might be too late out in these yards. Anyway, this is your boy Catloco. Hope you enjoyed the little video. Remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.